Finally, I've been waiting on you. You're here. I'm here. Let's talk about AI. Hey, so last session, we talked about chat mode versus work mode and how most people are stuck reacting to AI instead of directing it. Today, I want to make an even more important distinction, one that separates the people who get decent results from AI from the people who get transformational results. The difference between using AI and working with AI, they sound like the same thing, but they're really not. When you're using AI, you're the passenger. You hand off a task, you wait, you take what comes back, maybe you edit it, maybe you don't, and then you move on. Think about the last time you copied a ChatGPT response almost verbatim or gave up because what it produced wasn't quite right. That's just using AI. Now, I want to be clear. There's nothing wrong with that type of use. There's nothing wrong with it for simple, low-stake tasks. But if you want AI to genuinely change your output, your impact, your value, using AI isn't enough. Because when you just use AI, you're treating it like a search engine that writes. You put something in, something comes out, transaction complete. The output is only as good as your input. And if you're not thinking deeply about your input, you're going to keep getting mediocre output. Working with AI is fundamentally different. When you work with AI, you're the driver, the editor, and the strategic lead. And AI is your highly capable collaborator. Here's what that actually looks like. 1, you bring the context. AI doesn't know your client, your brand voice, your constraints, or what success looks like, but you do. And when you work with AI, you front load that context every time. 2, you iterate, not accept. You don't take the first output and run. You push back. You say, this is too generic. Give me 3 variations that are more specific. Or you miss the point. Here's what I actually need. You treat it like a creative director would treat a junior teammate. 3, you stay in the loop. You're not outsourcing your thinking. You're amplifying it. AI handles the heavy lifting on execution while your judgment, experience, and expertise are baked into every step. 4, you build systems, not one-offs. People who work with AI create reusable prompts, workflows, and templates. They're not starting from zero every time they open that tool. Let's put some of this to action. Here's the action step before our next session. Pick one task you do regularly, maybe a recurring email, a report, a client update, anything. And this week, I want you to work with AI instead of using it. Before you type anything, write 3 things down. The context AI needs to know, the outcome you want, and the standard the output needs to meet. Then bring that to AI. See what happens. I promise the results will surprise you. This is the foundation everything else in the AI Survival Club is built on. You are not a prompt engineer. You're a professional who needs to know how to direct the most powerful tool your generation has ever been given. I'm Larry Gelreath, and we're just getting started. See you next session.